Good morning student, my name is Swati Sharma, Jai Swaminarayan, Atmiya Green School, Jhadeshwar, Bharuch. Today's our topic is data handling and we are going to learn what is data and what is arithmetic mean, what is range, what is primary data, raw data and secondary data and so on, and how to organize the data. Now in your book there is given exercise table number 3.1, temperature of the cities. I will talk about it. If it is given temperature of Ahmedabad, Amritsar, Bangalore, Chennai, that is different information, and we collected them and then uh, organize them in tabular form. Understand? Now what do you mean by arithmetic mean? Arithmetic means sum of all observation upon number of observation is called arithmetic mean. Now we are talking about organization of data. And what is range of data? Range of data means highest observation minus lowest observation. Here highest observation is 48 and lowest observation is 13. So your your range of the data is 35. Okay, it is your range of the data. Now what do you mean by arithmetic mean? How to find the arithmetic mean? See, this is your observation, it is given, this is your observation. Okay, so sum of the observation means total number of observation, and how many roll number are here? Total 10, so divided by 10, then you can get arithmetic mean of the data. Understand? See, the arithmetic mean means sum of all observation upon number of observation. And what is range of the data? What is range of the data? Range of the data means highest observation minus. So student, question number first, find the range of height of any 10 student of your class. You may take any 10 you may take any 10 heights. अपने मन से कोई 10 बच्चों की हाइट रख लो आप, और उससे आप उसका फाइंड द रेंज मीन्स हाईएस्ट माइनस लोएस्ट. ओके, now question number second, organize the following marks in a class assessment in a tabular form. See, I will arrange 4, 2, 6, 5 in a tabular form. So if you arrange this class assessment in a tabular form, it is not a right way. Okay, this way, if you write this way, this is not a right way to arrange the data. So first of all, what you do, you make a table in telemarks and then solve it. Okay, so make a table, and which number is the highest? You see, 9 is the highest number. 9 is the highest number. Okay, and which number is the lowest number? Which is lowest number? The lowest number is 1. Okay, what is the range of the data? 9 minus 1, that is 8. Find the arithmetic means sum of all the observation. Means what do you do 4 plus 6 plus 7 plus 5 plus 3 and so on. Understand? So sum all the observation divided by number of observation. There is 20 observations, so your answer will be find it. Okay, now next question is find the mean of the first 5 whole numbers. Okay, if you want to find mean of the first 5 whole number, then what is whole number for first 5? 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. That is 5 whole numbers. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This is 5 roll number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, sum of all observation 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 divided by 5. Okay, understand? So you can find the, so your arithmetic mean is 2. Okay, now question number 4 is a cricketer score the following run in 8 inning. See the score, find the mean score. What you do? Add the total number of observation upon sum of total sum of all observation upon total number of observation. So plus 58 plus 76 plus 40 plus 35 plus 46 plus 45 plus 0 plus 100. Okay, divided by 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, divided by 8. Okay, so 400 upon 8. What is your answer? Your answer is 50. Okay. Now question 5th is, following table show the point of each player scored in 4 games. Okay. Table is already given to you. Now answer the following question. See the table. Find the mean of to determine A's average number of points scored per game. So you have to only see only A numbers, means this table. Okay, you have to see only these tables. Okay, 14 plus 16 plus 10 plus 10. Okay, and divided by 4. Okay, now second is to find the mean number of point per game. For C, would you divide the total point by 3 or 4? By 4, because C didn't play one game, so you have to divide by 3. Okay, understand? Now B played in all 4 games. How would you find the mean? Sum of all the games divided by 4. Okay, understand? Now who is the best performer? See, who is the best performer? Which arithmetic mean is best? He is the best performer. Those team is the best performer. Okay. Now question number 6 is the marks obtained by a group of students in a science test are 85, and these are marks. Highest and the lowest marks. First of all, you have to arrange it in a ascending or descending order. Then you write highest marks and lowest marks. Okay. I will do for you in short form. You will doing with proper way. Means first of all you have to arrange it in ascending or descending order. Okay. Range of the data means highest observation minus lowest observation. Understand? Okay. Then again, mean means sum of marks upon number of marks. Total sum of marks upon number of observation. Okay. Number of student. So you can do this type. Question number 7 is, now see how to do question number 7. Sum of observation upon total number of observation. If you total the numbers, you have this total and divided by 6. Okay, because number of observation is 6. So your answer is, you have done by yourself. Now see the question number 8. What is question number 8? The rainfall in millimeter in a city on 7 days of a certain week was recorded as follow. Find the range of the rainfall. First, find the range. Highest range, that is 20.5, and lowest is 0.0. So highest minus lowest. Okay. Find the mean of rainfall for the week. What you do? Find the mean. Means sum of observation upon total number of observation. How many observation are here? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Here total number of observation is 7. Sum of all observation upon 7. Okay. So our mean is 5.9 millimeter. Now question number 3 is, how many days was the rainfall less than the mean rainfall? So what can you do? It is 5.9 and the highest rainfall is 20.5. Okay. So mean rainfall. See, our mean rainfall is, what is our mean rainfall? It is 5.9. Okay. And see, less than 5.9 is 1.0, 5.5, 0.0, 2.1 and 0.0. So total number of days 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. There are 5 days that record less than rainfall of mean rainfall. Okay. Now question number 9. The height of 10 girls was measured in centimeter and the result are as follow. It's given 10 girls heights. Your first step is write down in ascending or descending order. First fall. Then write the question answer of the question. What is the height of the tallest girl? What is the height of the tallest girl? See the write the observation. First, tallest height is 151 centimeter and shortest is 121. Tallest minus shortest, it is 23 centimeters. So the range is 23 centimeter. What is the mean height of the girls? Sum of the height upon total number of girls. Okay, sum of the heights upon total number of girls. So your mean is 141.4. Now next question is how many girls have height more than the mean height? 141.4 more than. So how many girls you have seen? 141, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. These 5 girls have more than height of means. Okay, so it's your chapter 3.1 over. Do it in your notebook. Have a good day.